Good evening, Saigon.
Today is February 12, 1975. Welcome to the new year.
Yes, we hope you are starting it off right.
There were many celebrations throughout Vietnam last night.
Here are pictures from viewers of their celebrations.
This just in from the capital.
The communists have gotten closer to Saigon. A takeover is in the near future.
Bombing is getting closer to the residential areas.
The government has issued a state of emergency and encourages everyone to evacuate as soon as possible.
If you have any military affiliations, please contact them to discuss your options of evacuation.
And now, over to Stephanie, who is in the middle of the rush of evacuators.
Thanks, Allie. Now I'm here with Ha, a resident of Saigon. Ha, how long have you been living in Saigon?
My whole life, 10 years.
And how do you feel about leaving Saigon?
I'm scared. It's the only place I've ever known.
Do you know where you're going?
My family and I are scheduled to leave on a boat tomorrow night, but we're unsure of its location and what our new life will be like.
Well, we wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
And now back to you, Allie.
Thanks, Stephanie.
Tune in at 6 p.m. for the latest update about evacuation from the president.
We'll be back after this short break.
To find out what happens to Ha on her life-changing journey, read the Newbery Honor book, Inside Out and Back Again, by Tain Ha Lai.